So, what's this supposed to do? You didn't tell me how to do this.
What is it?
I don't know. It's some kind of...
Is it some joke or something?
He said just try and make it through the third level. Level 2. I swear, if you make me break my phone or something, I'm gonna kill you. Oh. What's that? What is that? What is it?
Oh my god.
Where's my phone?
I don't know. I gotta find it.
Oh my god.
Who was that? Oh, it's like way over here.
Ew, I ran over my toe. Well, my foot.
What?
I ran over my foot in the process.
Okay.